Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault. Welcome to a spontaneous quick fire update and a surprise launch coming from Royal Enfield, the hero of the masses. The kind of following Royal Enfield enjoys is unlike any other brand, and thanks to the community building that they've done over the years. So what is this video about? This is about the all new Himalayan that they have launched for the year 2021. So what all new does it have on offer? The new 2021 Royal Enfield Himalayan. That's exactly what I'm here to share with you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, this is the all new 2021 Royal Enfield Himalayan, the pine green color. This is the BS6 model as well, the new model that they have launched, and I'm here to tell you what all new that this new 2021 model has on offer. First of all, 3 new colors have been launched. This is the most exotic one, the pine green, kind of a camouflage kind of an effect. Looks absolutely sheer class, and the kind of fit and finish that has gone into making this is absolutely amazing. You can see a little bit of overexposure here because we are right underneath the sun, but the fit and finish is top notch. I love this camo kind of theme running through the tank. And what all changes does it have on offer? First of all is the color, pine green. Then you also have graphite black, and also you also have a kind of a silver color that has been launched. 3 new colors apart from the existing 3 colors, which also continue to remain. Now apart from this, another major inclusion is the dash. You can see Royal Enfield's partnership with Google continues. Now you have a dedicated screen for turn-by-turn navigation, which is absolutely amazing. Speedo console remains the same, most comprehensive one, kilometer reading, miles per hour reading, gear position indicator, a compass, fuel gauge, tachometer and whatnot. There's some kind of a flight exercise that's happening. You can see the flight right over there. I just hope the audio comes through clean, because I am using a dedicated mic for better quality. And another change is the back rack that has been added to add a carrier box at the back. Comes with a max payload capacity of 7 kgs. Well done, well built kind of a rack here. Apart from this, you also have added thickness to the seat foam to improve saddle comfort for the rider. You can clearly feel it the moment you sit on the bike. And a 15-liter tank that offers ample amount of tank range, and ideal for a tourer. And apart from this, you also get this tinted front visor, which is taller now to offer better wind protection and fend off wind blast. Also, the jerry can kind of a rack up front has been moved slightly forward and adjusted accordingly, such that the taller riders have better leg room and knee room. And look at the location where we are at. You can keep looking at this all day long. Beautiful, beautiful location and equally beautiful machine. Then one thing that I really wish Royal Enfield change, and it's about time, is for the LED turn indicators. I mean, here you get the regular standard ones. I feel the Himalayan deserves LED turn indicators. So that's one thing I request Royal Enfield to do with the future upgrades. Tail lamp looks good as always. We get Seat tires, a massive 21-inch spoke wheel up front and 17-inch spoke wheel at the back. These are tube tires. Also the brakes, we get disc brakes all around, and dual channel ABS as standard. Powering the bike is a 411cc single cylinder BS6 compliant engine, fuel injected, that puts out close to 25 PS of max power and 32 Newton meters of max torque. We get a 5-speed gearbox. We have the upswept exhaust for you to allow you to off-road with ease without worrying about the exhaust bottoming out. Also you get ample amount of ground clearance 220 of ground clearance, which is massive. You also get 41 front forks for plush ride quality even while riding over the most rugged surfaces, and 200 of suspension travel up front, 180 of suspension travel at the back. Even the rear monoshock is super rugged to tame any terrain that this bike finds itself on. I also love the rock solid rugged swing arm, which can take on any punishment you throw at it. I love the foot pegs that come with open teethed pegs, such that you can remove the rubber for you to get good grip while doing extreme off-roading. That's an absolute essential. And another tip is check the tire pressure for the tire to get adequate grip while off-roading. That's another thing that you need to do. Also, the brake levers come with open teeth defect, again to offer good grip for the foot while you're doing or tackling difficult terrains, off-roading terrains. Apart from this, everything else remains more or less the same. You have the same round headlamp with a pilot lamp up front, and look at the color scheme. The more you look at it, the more you fall in love. The handlebar is nice and wide. You do get a hazard light switch as well, which is really essential for the avid tourers out there. Now, another initiative that Royal Enfield has specially undertaken is the Make It Your Own theme. So each rider has their own personal preference, and they want to add their own personalized theme to their choice of two wheels. So for them, Royal Enfield offer the Make It Your Own option, where you can color your tank and other elements as per your personal wish and will to make it your very extension of your character. And that's what a motorcycle is, and that's exactly what Royal Enfield are trying to offer, which is absolutely phenomenal initiative from their side. So you can check that out at their Royal Enfield official website, Make It Your Own, or MIY. Seat tires, massive 21-inch front wheel. These are tube tires, again I'm emphasizing, and you have block pattern tires and spoke wheels that can take on more punishment than the regular street tires. Also block pattern tire at the back, 120 section fat rear tire. So this was a quick update about the updated 2021 model Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 model, and this is the pine green variant that has been just launched by Royal Enfield. And as usual, your brother Dino Bhai is the first to showcase it, and also I'm going to ride it up next and share my first ride impression. Man, the supersonic sound is absolutely deafening. So I'm going to ride it up next and share my ride impression. So stay tuned for my ride reaction as to whether the overall ride feel has changed of the all new 2021 Himalayan. Wow, I can keep looking at this all day long. The camo color and the pine green color scheme really goes well and takes the visual appeal of this motorcycle to a completely different level. So here is the new Himalayan BS6 2021. Pine green color, looks absolutely super classy. So let's take it out for a short spin. Whoa. Immediately it feels more responsive than the BS6 model which I had ridden. This is the 2021 model. I had already featured the BS6 model when it was launched. Let's go through a dirt patch here, which leads us to a good location, a lakeside location. And yeah, it's just as reassuring as always. The Himalayan, taller gears. Oh yeah, big massive machine coming our way. Let's get going. Yes, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. The kind of confidence this bike gives you while tackling off-road terrains is unlike any other. Wow. Beautiful. just unstoppable. Whoa. Oh, beautiful, awesome experience. The chassis is made so well. Harris Performance have absolutely nailed it. Can you see the location now? The lake is well known in this part of the world. Look at this, my God. Such a beautiful location. Can't get enough of this. Woo-hoo-hoo. Fox Sagar Lake is absolutely magical, and so is the machine. So now I think it's time to just turn around and check out the bike's performance on tarmac. Okay, now it's time to test the bike on the tarmac. It's awesome, as always. Very smooth, very clean acceleration thanks to fuel injection. Throttle response is clean and linear. Absolutely very smooth, no vibrations whatsoever. It's just as easy to ride on tarmac as much as it is on dirt tracks. Beautiful, beautiful machine from Royal Enfield, fine-tuned to the max for the year 2021, and given it everything that they could think of. Taller windshield, navigation, very comfortable seat, better leg room, and whatnot. Even a luggage rack at the back to carry to mount a top case. So overall, I think this is a worthy improvement and a worthy upgrade for the Himalayan, for what it has always been. One of the best all-rounder machines that money can buy you here in our market. Like places like these is where a machine like this is gonna get you. I mean, look at this. Just peace, pure peace surrounds your heart the moment you come here. Beautiful, isn't it? Thanks for watching. I just hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.